India stands among the fastest growing major economies in the world and has recorded remarkable progress over the past 2 decades. The Economic Survey 2025-26 stated that World Bank ranks India among the top 5 countries globally in terms of private investment in infrastructure among low and middle income economies. India also emerged as the largest recipient of PPI investment in South Asia, accounting for over 90% of the region's total private infrastructure investment. This strong global standing is reflected domestically in the marked increase in project approvals by Public-Private Partnership Appraisal Committee. India has positioned itself as the world's third largest domestic aviation market. The number of operational airports expanded from 74 in 2014 to 164 in 2025. In financial year 25, Indian airports handled 412 million passengers, a figure projected to rise to 665 million by financial year 31. Air cargo volume similarly witnessed significant growth, increasing from 2.53 million metric tons in financial year 15 to 3.72 million metric tons in financial year 25. This rapid expansion has been driven by transformative policy initiatives and reforms, including the RCS Udan scheme, the Greenfield Airport Policy, airport modernization and capacity expansion programs, digital and technological initiatives such as DigiYatra, liberalized drone regulations, and key legislative measures including Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak 2024 and the Protection of Interests in Aircraft Objects Act 2025, as noted in the survey. India's energy sector is undergoing a structural transformation, with renewable energy accounting for approximately 49.83% of the total power generation capacity as of November 2025. The country ranks third globally in overall renewable energy capacity and installed solar capacity, and fourth in installed wind capacity. Total renewable energy capacity has increased more than threefold over the past decade, underscoring India's commitment to sustainable growth.
If renewable energy were to become a significant part of the energy picture, we need to understand the ramifications. The amount of material required and the energy required to therefore generate renewable energy should not be underestimated. We should go into it with open eyes.
The survey further observes that India remained the world's largest recipient of remittances, with inflows reaching $135.4 billion in financial year 25, thereby supporting stability in the external sector. Gross investment inflows remained robust at 18.5% of the GDP in financial year 25. India continued to be the largest recipient of gross FDI inflows in South Asia. The country emerged as the leading destination for greenfield digital investments between 2020 and 2024, attracting $114 billion. During April to November 2025, gross FDI inflows strengthened further to $64.7 billion. India's foreign exchange reserves rose to $701.4 billion as of 16th January this year. The Economic Survey underscores that India's infrastructure strategy in recent years represents a decisive shift towards scale, integration, and quality, with sustained public capital expenditure acting as a powerful catalyst for economic growth. Despite a challenging global environment, India continues to be the fastest growing major economy, supported by strong agricultural performance and sustained momentum in the services sector, which have effectively offset the moderation observed in industrial activity. Bureau Report, DD India.
Now, let's go to our financial capital, Mumbai, where Indian stock markets will remain open for trading on Sunday, that is the 1st of February, as the Union Budget 2026-27 is presented. The special weekend session is being held as the budget falls on a Sunday, allowing investors to respond to policy announcements in real time during market hours. The National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange will conduct a full trading session, making this only the second instance since independence that equity markets will operate on a Sunday. Both NSE and BSE will follow standard trading timings. The pre-open session will run from 9 a.m. to 9:08 a.m., which is for 8 minutes, followed by normal trading between 9:15 in the morning to 3:30 in the afternoon. Trade modifications will be allowed until 4:15 p.m. India time.